Hello fellow machinists, this is Neil Butterfield with my Tailstock tap die holder demonstration video. To purchase this fine tool, go to my website shown here, www.neilsniche.com. I've also shown here my email and phone number. It'll be shown again at the end of this video, so don't worry if you didn't catch it all right here. Here are the 7 pieces that make up the tool. The knurled sleeve shown here that slides on the 5/8 diameter straight shank of the Morse taper arbor. Here's a 1-inch die holder with a 1-inch round die inserted in it. The die holder is then inserted into the knurled sleeve. Here's a 13/16 die holder. The 13/16 die inserted. Here's a 1/4 to 1/2 inch tap holder with I think it's a 3/8/16 tap inserted and then slipped into the die holder. Here's a 0, an 0 to a 1/4 inch capacity die holder that's slipped into the knurled sleeve also. Then you can see the sliding arbors put into the knurled sleeve, just to again show you how that works. Here I'm inserting the stop handle or the Tommy bar into the knurled sleeve, tightening it with a 1/8 inch punch, and that's it, folks. So let's cut some threads. Here's a piece of 7/32 hex brass held in a 3C collet. The hex brass is turned about 135 thousandths in diameter with the end chamfered. Here I'm hand holding the knurled sleeve and pressing on a number 632 die. See how nice that die cuts just with the hand holding? Release your grip and then grip again and it cuts again. Release. I'm not going to go all the way here. I'm going to stop it. As I continue the threading, I want you to see it come up against the shoulder. Hand holding again, comes up the shoulder and it'll take it right out of my hand. There, I can't hold it any longer now. It's up against the shoulder. We've finished. That's it. We back it off now and we're all done. Now we'll tap an 832 thread in this 9/16 diameter piece of aluminum. Tap hole is drilled with a 136 thousandths diameter drill, chamfered on the leading edge to help the tap get started. I push the tap into the workpiece, hand holding this aluminum. We can do that 832 thread. Release the grip. You notice it turns with the tap. Release it here. Continues to turn. Now I've reversed it. I'm going to back the tap out, doing a little hand turning here to help it out a little faster. Slap a little cutting oil on there and we'll continue tapping to the bottom of the hole. I want you to see this, the tap will come up. When it bottoms out, I will no longer be able to hold that knurled sleeve, and it'll just take it right out of my hand. I'm holding it there very lightly now. It's getting near the end. Coming up near the final depth of the hole. And about here, yeah, sure enough, there it starts turning. I can't hand hold it anymore, so we're finished. Here we have a piece of 5/16 diameter cold rolled steel held in a 3-jaw chuck, turned down to about 306 diameter for a 5/16 18 die held in the 1-inch die holder. Notice the stop handle resting on the front carriage side, and then when I reverse it, it flips over to the back side. I'm going to cut about half the thread, and then we'll go back and we'll do another pass and complete it right up to the near the chuck jaws. again, watch the stop handle. It's always interesting. Again, it's a lot like hand holding, but the stop handle, you can't hand hold. There, I reversed it and it flipped over, and we finished a thread. Quick and easy, and we're finished. This is a piece of 11/16 hex cold rolled steel. I slap a little oil on that tap. It's drilled with a 5/16 drill for a 3/8/16 tap. Notice the stop handle Tommy bar resting on the front side of the carriage. It's got a chamfer on the hole, of course. And I push the tap into the hole, starts pulling the tap along. Not hand holding. I have to adjust the carriage sometimes a little bit there to make sure the stop handle rests as it draws, as the tap is drawn in. Now I stopped it and reversed it, and I'm backing the tap out. I'm going to do this on 2 passes also. I push the tap in again. Again, the Tommy bar, stop bar resting against the front of the carriage. Slap a little more oil on there. Again, very much like hand holding, but not quite the same thing. I'll bring it until that tap bottoms, stops, reverse it, back it out, and we're finished. That's it, folks. I hope this was helpful. Nothing against eBay. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for eBay, but I recommend you purchase from my website and save the eBay 10% fee. Give me a call if you like. Hopefully I can answer any questions you may have. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.